Well, hello, friends. Here is the kit that we are going to do together today, the He Is Risen Tomb. This kit comes as a double layer with all the pieces that I am showing you here. Or you can get this kit as a single layer like this one right here, which was my original kit that I offered in my Etsy shop. But we've added on to it now. So you can still get the original. The only difference is I used to offer 3 crosses with it, and now you have the 1 fabricated cross. And for those of you who may have already purchased my original kit, but you would like to have that double layer, that second layer, I've also put the back layer only. You can buy this separately from all the other pieces, and then you can add the kit that you already have to it. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to use Valspar Antiquing Glaze on this back piece. I want it to be really dark, and then I want a lighter color on the other 3 pieces, so I'll use the Waverly Antique Wax on those. You see that Waverly is a little bit more brown, a little bit lighter color than the Valspar Antiquing Glaze. You guys know exactly what to do with this stuff. You put it on with a brush, you wipe it off with a paper towel, and you let it dry. Once all your pieces are dry, then you can sand it if you would like. Y'all know I love to sand everything, so that's what I'm going to do. And I sanded the kit itself to where it's easily distressed. So I'm going to do this with all the pieces. I also decided that I wanted the opening to the tomb a little bit darker, so I'm just marking this with a chalk pencil, and then I'm using acrylic paint in the color Pavement to just color in that area. And now it's time to assemble. I'm going to use some hot glue. You could, of course, use some wood glue in addition to the hot glue, whatever it is you would like to do. I'm putting a good amount on here. And you choose exactly where you want each piece to fall. You may want your front piece a little more to the left or the right. It's completely up to you where you want to glue these pieces together. I am tilting it up also so that I can make sure that it is level on the bottom. And I chose to put the cross all the way on the very back side. And then when I put the stone to the tomb, I decided that I wanted it to overlap the opening just a little bit. And again, lifting it up to make sure the bottom is completely flat. You can leave your kit just like this, or you can do what I'm doing here. I'm using some sheet moss. No, actually, it's sheet moss. You can get it at Walmart. If you've been following me for some time, then you know where that comes from. Sheet moss. Anyway, I'm going to put some of the moss around the outside of my tomb. And like I said, this is completely optional, whatever it is that you would like to do for your kit. And in addition to that, I had a bunch of, it was like a bunch of white flowers. Those came from Walmart as well. And I just took a few of those little white flowers and I glued them inside the moss as well. And here is our finished tomb. I absolutely love the way that it came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you would like to get this kit for yourself, it is available in my Etsy shop. Just visit Connie'sCreationsLA.com and hit on that Etsy button. It'll take you right to my shop. Thanks again for watching. Y'all have a great day.